Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We were all in the back garden again yesterday, but William wasn't happy. Don't know what had gone on, but as soon as Dipper walked into the garden, he pounced on him. So whether Dipper had wound him up and William hadn't forgotten, don't know, but there was another fight to come. Now for those of you that are new here, William is blind. In fact, most of the cats in the video today are blind. That's Mona. Mona's blind. Now here comes Dipper. Dipper's nearly blind. And the black cat or kitten in front of him is Kira. Kira is also blind. That's Woody. Woody can see. I've called Kira Special K. She's lovely. She's quite at home with her own company. She'll join in, she won't join in. She's just laid back. Although she has got a little bit of a devilish streak in her. She likes to try and get out from time to time. There's Harry. Harry's also blind. Now watch William. It got so bad that Dipper actually came and sat with me because he didn't want to be pounced on anymore. So William has a quick spray. He has got the capacity of a camel. Look, he's doing it again. He sprayed on me one morning. Because he was hungry, he wanted his breakfast and I didn't get up in time. He jumped up on the bed, turned round and sprayed on me. I was not best pleased, and he knew. Now watch these two. This is Harry and Kira. And this took me by surprise yesterday. I see a lot of things, but I just wasn't expecting this. That rock in front of you is 2.5 meters high. And although it's pockmarked and you can get your claws in, it's straight up. Now even when Harry fell off, he picked himself up and he went back up again. And it was the sheer determination of this cat to be up and away. Now he didn't get away. I went up and got him. But I've got a problem with Harry at the moment, whereby he is hell-bent on getting out. And it's gotten so bad that I cannot turn my back on him for a minute. He's off. So unless I'm out in the garden with them all now, Harry's confined to the house. But I might have a possible solution. That comes later. So Kira had a go as well. She's not as bad, but it's still in her. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and as always, we will all see you again soon.